Steven Peters. Oh, I found a friend. A wabbit. Hello, silly wabbit. Tricks are for kids. You want to be in my movie? Hello, wabbit. There he goes. A beautiful lilac tree. Nice and bloomed. Beautiful. Smells very good. Three ducks. Wildlife in the city. Don't want to spook them. Don't want to get them. I'll try to zoom in. Sorry guys. Come on, go on, focus. Thank you. Oh, and by the way, I apologize to all those little creatures if I run you over with my lawnmower. It's not my intent. I love life, and everything is precious. Yes, even you little critters, you little bugs. I will not harm you if possible. Wildlife in the city is very, very, very hard, guys. I hardly see anything. And most of all these videos and things I do for wildlife in the city is actually through my job and working. Very unfortunate. I remember a long time ago when I was younger. Oh my goodness, so many grasshoppers and different bugs, beautiful butterflies, a little bit more beautiful birds. Hardly see any at all nowadays. Alright guys, gotta keep on working. I try to zoom in, hopefully it's okay. 3 duckies there. You guys enjoyed it. Thank you. Alrighty. Now, time to grab this guy and keep on mowing. Okay, bye-bye. Yeah, they're fixing the streets here. Nature's birds. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? As I'm planting, this guy's right beside me here, nicking for worms. Hey, planting flowers. And one guy looking for food. Wildlife in the city. Hello. Looking wild, looking pretty. Wildlife in the city. Wondering, what's this guy doing? Pew, 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 pew. You can smell it when you're digging, I guess. I don't know. Oh yeah. not scared of me, that's for sure. All right, back to work. On the way.
You know this, he won't tell us who it is, you're the devil. It is you, oh boy, yes it is. It is you, boy, yeah the devil. It is you, boy. There's a devil in your heart. You're not very smart. There's a devil in your soul. Oh no. There's a devil in your heart. You know.
Ouch.
There's a devil in your heart. Oh no. Oh, this is because I feel it. I can feel the devil in your soul.
Guys, maybe some of you need a woman. I need a woman.
She's available.
I need a woman tonight.
She's here. She's available.
Yeah, she's available.
This is the red desk in Toronto.
Yeah.
Funny guy.
There's a devil in your yard. I know this because I sense it. Yeah, it's a devil in your yard. I know this because I can feel it in you. Yeah, the devil. It is you, boy. Oh, yes, it is. It is you, boy. There's a devil in your heart. You're not very smart. There's a devil in your soul, and you're not very bright. There's a devil in your heart. You know this. You won't tell us who it is. The devil in your heart. You know this. You won't tell us who it is. There's a devil in your heart. You're not very smart. There's a devil in your soul, and you're not very bright. Yeah, it's a devil. There's a devil. There's a devil in your heart. There's a devil in your heart. Yeah. The devil is you. You're the devil. Yeah. It's in your soul. It's in your soul. Devil is you, boy. Devil is you, boy. Devil. There's a devil in your devil in your soul. Devil in your soul. There's a devil in your heart. You're not very smart, and you're not very bright. There's a devil. There's a devil